This video demonstrates how to deploy devices using Ruijie Reyee app. Are you still struggling with a complicated device deployment process? Ruijie Reyee app version 9.0.9 streamlines the self-organizing network (SUN) configuration, enabling faster device deployment. Ruijie Reyee app supports 2 device deployment modes. 1. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. 2. Scan a QR code or enter the device SN. If your SUN contains a wireless device such as a wireless gateway, an AP, a bridge, or a home router, you are advised to connect to the Wi-Fi signal broadcast by it for deployment configuration. If devices on a SUN cannot broadcast Wi-Fi signals, you can scan the QR code on a device nameplate or manually enter a device SN for deployment configuration. Before the deployment, ensure that the devices are correctly connected according to the network plan, are connected to the internet, and are powered on. Log into Ruijie Reyee app. The 2 deployment modes will be introduced separately. Tap plus Add a project, select Connect to Wi-Fi, and tap Continue. Select the device type on the SUN that broadcasts the Wi-Fi signal and tap Continue. After confirming that the devices are correctly connected and powered on, tap Start. Tap Connect to connect to the Wi-Fi signal broadcast by the device on the SUN. The default Wi-Fi names for different device types are as follows. After the connection is completed, return to Ruijie Reyee app. Configure the login password for devices on the SUN. Tap OK. After confirming that the device topology is correct, tap Start Config. Enter the Wi-Fi name. The project name will be automatically synchronized with the Wi-Fi name. Enter the Wi-Fi password. If the system detects that the devices have connected to the internet through Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP), Ruijie Reyee app will automatically complete the WAN configuration. If DHCP is not used for internet access, configure the WAN configuration based on the actual situation. Tap Save. After the configuration is delivered successfully, the Wi-Fi signal is reset. Tap Connect to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network as prompted. After the Wi-Fi connection is completed, return to Ruijie Reyee app. You will be automatically redirected to the home page of the project. Tap plus Add a project, select Scan or Enter SN, and tap Continue. Scan the QR code at the bottom of a device. Ruijie Reyee app will automatically identify the device. If the device is not nearby, tap Manually Enter and enter the device SN. Tap Add. Enter the Wi-Fi name. The project name will be automatically synchronized with the Wi-Fi name. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Configure the login password for devices on the SUN. Set radio country or region code according to the device's location. Tap OK. You will be redirected to the home page of the project after the configuration is delivered successfully. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie Reyee official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.